Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on mobile. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, whether you're an iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter what device you're actually on, you will be able to use it on whatever mobile device you have. So make sure you watch the end so you fully understand how you can use ChatGPT on mobile device. So let's get into it. Now there's actually two ways of going about this. So the first way is on the web browser. So as you can see, I've just gone to OpenAI's website and I've loaded up ChatGPT on my phone. So I can just use this how like we normally do. So if I wanted to just click this explain quantum computing in simple terms, we can search it, and just like that you'll be able to answer a question just like it can on PC. It will work just the same on mobile. However, you might realize that the UI is not the best on here. So the next best thing after that is actually the ChatGPT app. So because I'm on the iPhone App Store, however I'm pretty sure it's on Android App Store also. So this should work no matter what device you're on. So to download this, you simply just click get and download, and then once you've downloaded it, as you can see from the photos, it's literally just ChatGPT. However, this time instead of in a web browser, it's in an app. So it just makes the whole UI look a bit better, and it will probably work a little bit faster too since it's inside an app. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.